As you guys can see, I've upgraded the gears of the Devil Z thanks to Akio Sakura. He told me to tune the gears to make it more faster than 250. Like it can go like now it can like reach to 300 kilometers an hour. Like wow, it's pretty cool looking. So yeah, look, there's even Reina's R32. Yeah, actually, guys, it really helped me a lot to make this thing like to reach 300 kilometers an hour. Like, thanks, Akio. It was really helpful. So yeah, let's just you know what, guys? Let's just wait until Reina's R32 comes to race with me. So and yeah, it'll be pretty cool, guys. So yeah, enjoy.
Rap really suck. I love we flow. We are poetically strong. I love we flow. You know
So guys, Akio already told me to, like he already asked me to tune this, to tune the gears, but I literally did, but that still doesn't even change anything. I was nowhere near close like, to beat Reina, like, and plus, it tends to, like, lose control because it has, I swear, I put it onto some semi-slick tires, but it's still like just not making any better at all, like seriously. So Akio, if you're watching this video, please help me to how can I make this tires a little bit better and make it have more grip and have more steering capability. So yeah, just tell me and that'll be very good. So yeah, peace.